Our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of the discovery of America. Now, when we say discovery, we're opening up a cosmic can of worms. See, the Americas were already teeming with life, culture, and civilizations long before Europeans set foot on its shores. So, we're going on a journey to uncover some surprising facts about this pivotal period in human history. We'll explore the daring voyages, the clash of cultures, and the lasting impact of this monumental encounter. Get ready to have your textbooks challenged because history, my friends, is never as simple as it seems. Stay tuned for some surprising facts you might not know. Now everyone knows about Christopher Columbus, right? But did you know that nearly 500 years before Columbus set sail, the Vikings, led by the intrepid explorer Leif Erikson, had already reached North America? Around the year 1000 AD, Erikson established a short-lived settlement in present-day Newfoundland, Canada, at a place they called Vinland. This makes the Vikings the first Europeans to reach the Americas, long before Columbus was even born. Imagine the Vikings' wooden longships, dwarfed by the vast Atlantic Ocean, navigating by the stars and the courage of their convictions. These voyages were feats of incredible seamanship and bravery. It makes you wonder what other daring adventures are hidden in the annals of history, waiting to be rediscovered. Christopher Columbus, the man credited with discovering America. But here's the thing, Columbus never actually set foot on what we know today as the United States of America. In his quest to find a western sea route to Asia, Columbus landed in the Bahamas in 1492. He explored various islands in the Caribbean Sea, including Cuba and Hispaniola, present-day Haiti and the Dominican Republic, but never the mainland. Think about that. Columbus spent years seeking a new route to the east, convinced he'd found it, even though the people he encountered, the land he saw, were completely different from anything in Asia. Talk about an astronomical navigation error. It makes you realize that even the most brilliant minds can be blinded by their own preconceptions. So if Columbus didn't reach mainland America, how did the continent get its name? Enter Amerigo Vespucci, an Italian explorer who followed in Columbus's wake. Vespucci made several voyages to the New World in the early 1500s, exploring the South American coastline. Unlike Columbus, Vespucci recognized that this wasn't Asia, but a completely new continent. His letters and accounts of these voyages, describing the new landmass and its people, were widely circulated in Europe. In 1507, a German cartographer, impressed by Vespucci's descriptions, named the continent America in his honor. It's a cosmic twist of fate, isn't it? Columbus gets the fame, but Vespucci's name is forever etched on the map. Before the arrival of Europeans, the Americas were far from empty wilderness. They were home to a vibrant tapestry of indigenous cultures and civilizations, some with advancements that rivaled those of Europe and Asia. Take the Aztecs of Mesoamerica, with their magnificent city of Tenochtitlan, built on a lake with intricate canals and towering pyramids. Or the Maya, renowned for their sophisticated calendar system and hieroglyphic writing. And let's not forget the Inca Empire in South America, stretching across the Andes Mountains with its impressive road systems, textiles, and agricultural innovations. These civilizations were masters of their environment, architects of grand cities, and keepers of vast knowledge systems. To think that these cultures were dismissed as primitive by European colonizers is a stark reminder of how history can be distorted by bias and prejudice. The discovery of America set off a chain reaction that would forever alter the course of human history. It wasn't just about new lands, it was a collision of worlds, a cosmic exchange of plants, animals, ideas, and, unfortunately, diseases. The Columbian Exchange, as it's known, brought horses, cattle, and wheat to the Americas, while potatoes, tomatoes, and corn made their way to Europe. This exchange revolutionized agriculture and diets on both sides of the Atlantic. But this exchange also had a dark side. European diseases like smallpox ravaged indigenous populations, decimating their numbers and forever altering the cultural landscape of the Americas. The discovery of America is a complex tapestry of exploration, encounter, and consequence. It's a reminder that even seemingly isolated events can have ripple effects that shape the destiny of humankind. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning these interesting facts about the discovery of America, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more historical insights. Remember, history is not just a collection of names and dates. It's a vast and ever-expanding universe of stories, connections, and perspectives. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and keep your minds open to the wonders of the past, because understanding our history is crucial to shaping a better future.